What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I did get in the package my fuel filler neck. It's too late to put it on now. You all ain't gonna see nothing anyway, so I'll do it tomorrow. But today we're gonna jump into a viewer's question, and his question, let me introduce himself. His name is Dylan, and Dylan asked, hey man, I have a 2002 Chevy Avalanche, and for some reason my 4x4 isn't working. Can you give me some hints or ideas as what it can be? So Dylan, I got you. So here is what I think it could be. First off, in order to diagnose something like that, I have to be there in person, and I have to see the vehicle, drive the vehicle, feel the vehicle, to kind of get an idea of what's going on. But I can give you a little rundown on what could possibly be the issue. So first thing first, cheapest alternative ever, free. Get down on your knees by the driver's door on the frame rail. There will be two ground cables. I want you to remove those two ground cables. Take a wire brush, clean it up, get the rust all out, and put it back in. If it doesn't work, then we're gonna move on to step number 2. Could be your switch. There are videos out there teaching you how to test your switch to make sure you're getting the amount of power that it needs to be put on. So I can leave a link in the description for that video, whatever video I find testing the switch, and I'll leave a link in the description for the video on how to clean the two ground cables on the frame rail, because I did do a video on that as well. Next one, could be your encoder motor that is giving you a problem. Those encoder motors tend to go bad often. I had to replace mine. Unfortunately, mine wasn't bad at the time I replaced it, but it's a brand new part, so we're good. That's already replaced. That is found on the transfer case, I believe. And I do have a video on how to replace that, so I'll leave that in the link in the description below. Number, what are we in, 4 or 3? Number 3, we're just gonna go with number 3. Number 3, it could be your, your front diff actuator. Now, easy, cheap way to check that. Remove the actuator from the front diff, put a pan underneath because some oil will fall out, plug it back on in, press the switch, and see if the motor functions. If the motor doesn't function, you just found your problem. But before you go to buy a motor, make sure you trace the wire all the way up and make sure that there is no cuts. Also, what you can do is get a multimeter, check that you have voltage coming to that wire. If you have no power coming to the wire, most likely there is a cut somewhere along that wire. And last but not least, it's the worst case scenario. It could be that your transfer case is giving you an issue, or your front diff is giving you an issue. How do you check to see if the transfer case is really giving you an issue? Jack your wheels up, jack all 4 wheels off the ground, okay? Have a buddy in the vehicle with you, or you be in the vehicle, have a buddy outside, but you're gonna need 2 people for this. Jack it up off the ground. All 4 wheels have to be off the ground. If you want, take the wheels off and let just the rotor spin. But you'll be fine with the wheels. Just make sure you're in a safe location, make sure you're on a flat surface, and make sure someone is in the vehicle to press the brakes just in case. What I want you to do, once the vehicle is up on all jack stands and it's safe off the ground with the tires off the ground, have your buddy or you put the vehicle in drive and slowly let go of the brakes. See the rear wheels turning. Then what I want you to do, push on the brake slow, put it in neutral, press on 4 low, and put it back into drive. Have your buddy slowly release the brakes and see if the front wheels are spinning. Are the front wheels spinning? If they're not, look underneath. Check to see if the drive shaft is spinning. If that is not spinning, check to see if you even hear it engage. These are little things that you can do, but most likely I would start with the free things first. And that's what I really have to give you today. Any other suggestions, the guys on these videos, any other suggestions, the guys in any other suggestions that are out there, the guys will definitely jump in on this video and leave comments in the comment section for you to figure it out. And that's all I got for you, Dylan. So I hope this video helped you in some way, shape, or form. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section below. If it didn't, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know that it did or didn't. And please make sure that you hit a like for this video and also hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And I will see you guys tomorrow for his fuel filler neck. Let's get it.